Without using a calculator, find the value of each of the following and then use NCR key on your calculator to check your answer. So we know that the NCR is the n factorial over the r factorial n minus r factorial. So the 5C1 will be the 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 5 minus 1 factorial. Then we have the 5 times 4 factorial over the 4 factorial. So the answer is 5. So we have the 5C1 is equal to 5. So over here, we actually know that the NC1 will equal to N. Okay. And then we have the 6C3. So B, we have the 6C3. Then it will be the 6 factorial over the 3 factorial over minus 6 minus 3 factorial. Okay. So this is actually 6 times 4 times 3, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Okay. And then divide by this 3 times 2 times 1 times the 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial. So these two cancel. Then 6, 3, and then 3, 3 cancel. So the answer is 20. So we have the 6C3 is equal to 20. Yes, correct. Then we have the 4C4. So 4C4 is actually the 4 factorial and then 4 factorial, 4 minus 4 factorial. So we have 1 over 0 factorial is 1 over 1 is 1. So we have the 4C4 is 1. So over here, we also know that the NCN will always 1. Okay. So D here, we want to find the value of the 8C4. So 8, 4 is actually is choose 4. Then it is the 8 factorial, 4 factorial, 8 minus 4 factorial. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 4 factorial here. 8 minus 4 is 4 factorial. And we have the 2, 3, 6. Okay. 4, 2. Then this will be 70. 2 times 5, 10. Okay, so we have the 8C4 here is 70. Yes, that is correct. Then the E is easy. E, we have the 5 pi is the 5C5. Then we know it will be 1. Okay, because the NCN equal to 1. But if you want to do the calculation, then it will be the 5 minus 5 factorial. Then we have the 1 over 0 factorial. It will be 1. So 0 factorial is actually equal to 1. Okay. So this will be 1 over 1. Then it will be 1. 7, 4. So the F here, we have the 7, 4. Then it is 7 choose 4. Okay, so just now this one is 5C5. So we have the 5C5 here. Then it is 1. And then 7C4, 7, and then C4. Then it is 35. So we have the 7 factorial, 4 factorial. 7 minus 4 factorial. So 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. So 4 factorial, 3, 2, 1. Okay, because this one is 3 factorial. So the 4 factorial here we can cancel. 2, 3 cancel with the 6. Then we have 35. Okay, done. Question number 2. We need to show that 8C3 equal to 8C5. So the left-hand side here is 8C3. Then it is 8 factorial, 3 factorial, 8 minus 3 factorial. Then it will be the 8 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial. And the right hand side will be the 8C5. Then it will be the 8 factorial, 5 factorial, 8 minus 5 factorial. Then it is 8 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay, so these two are the same. Okay, so this equal to the left hand side. Okay, so the 8C3 equal to 8 factorial over 3 factorial, 5 factorial equal to 8C5. Okay, so we can check using the calculator. We have the 8C3. Okay, it's actually 56. And then we have the 8C5. Then this is over 56. And we know that actually the uh the combination is symmetric. So we have the 8C0 is 1, and then we have the 8C1 is 8, and then we have the 8C2 is 28, and then we have the 8C3 is 56, and then we have the 8C4 is 70, and we have the 8C5 is 56, same with the C3, and then we have the 8C6, then it's 28, and then we have the 8C7 is 8, and we have the 8C8 is actually 1. So you can see that these two are the same. Okay, so if we have the NCX, this will equal to the NCN minus X. Okay, so example, we have the 8C2 equal to the 8C8 minus 2. That is the 8C6. Okay, or I can say that the NCX, when NCX equal to NCY, then the Y is N minus C, and X plus Y equal to N. Question number 3. How many different ways are there of selecting 3 photographs from 10 photographs? So select, so 10 choose 3. Okay, so this will be the 10 choose 3. Then we have the 120. And then B, we want to have 5 books from 7 books. 7 choose 5. So we have the 7C5. Then we have the 21. And C, a team of 11 footballer from 14 footballer. So 14 choose 11. So we have the 14 choose 11. So we have 364. So 364. Okay. And number 4, how many combination of three letters can be chosen from the letter P, Q, R, S, T? So combination C. Okay, permutation P. Okay, permutation we look for order. Okay, combination we just choose only. So this one is 5 choose 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equal to 5 here. So we have the 5 choose 3, then it is 10. So this one is 10. Question number 5. Diagram show two different box A and B. 8 different toys are to be placed in the box. Find the number of ways in which the 8 toys can be placed in the box so that the 5 toys are in box A and 3 toys are in the box B. So this one we have 5, this one we have 3. So for the box A first, we have 8 choose 5, then we remain 3, then choose 3 choose 3 for the B then. So we have the 8C5, then it's 56 times 1, then it is 56. Then some student may ask, if I choose the B first, can or not? Can. Okay, so B we have the 8 choose 3, then the A we have the 5 choose 5. So this one also 56 times 1, then it will 56. So we have the 8C3 is 56. Okay, yeah. You know that the NCX equal to the NCN minus X. We explained in the question number 2 that, okay. Question number 6, 4 pencil and 3 pen. Select for 8 pencil and 5 pen. Okay, so select we just choose. So 8 choose 4, 5 choose 3. So we have 8C4, 5C3. Then this is 700. So this is equal to the 700. Okay. And then question number 7. 4 of the letter of paintbrush select from random. Okay. Find the number of different combination if there is no restriction. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have n equal to 10. So 10 choose 4. Okay. So we have the 10 choose 4. Then we have 210. Yeah. Okay. And B here, T must be select. So T selected. Then the n will become 10 minus 1, 9. And then we need to choose 4 minus 1, then 3. We need to choose 3. So it will be 9C3. So we have the 9C3, then 84. So the answer is 84. Okay. The test consists of 30 questions. Each answer is either correct or incorrect. Find the number of different ways in which it is possible to answer exactly 10 questions correctly. Okay. Uh, Question number 8. A test consists of 30 questions. Each answer is either correct or incorrect. Find the number of different ways in which it is possible to answer exactly 10 questions correctly. So we have the 30 choose 10. Okay. Then this will be the value and the 3 0 0 4 5 0 1 5. And then B, exactly 25 questions, then 30 choose 25. So we have the 30 choose 25. So this will be the answer. Okay, 142,500 506. Okay. Question number 9. An athlete club have 10 long jump runner, 8 sprinter, 5 jumper. A team of 3, 5, 2 selected. Find the number of week. So we have the 10 choose 3, and the 8 choose 5, and the 5 choose 2. So this is the long distance runner. Then this is the sprinter, and this is the jumper. Okay. So we have the 10C3, 8C5, 5C2. Then this is 67,200. Okay. Question number 10. A team of 5 members is to be chosen from 5 men and 3 women. Find the number of different teams that can be chosen if there are no restriction. So we have the n is 5 plus 3, then 8. So A here we have the 8 choose 5. So we have the 8C5, then it is 56. Okay. And then B here, 3 men, 2 women. So 5 men choose 3. And then 3 women choose 2. So we have the 5C3. So 5C3 times the 3C2. Then it is 30. Okay. So this is 30. So this is the man, this is the woman. C, not more than one woman. Not more than one woman. Then you can either have man and the woman. So men we have 5, woman we have 3. So not more than one woman, I can have one woman or 0 woman. Then 0 woman, 5 men. And then one woman, 4 men. Yeah. Okay. So we have 2 case here. So for this one, we have 2 case. So for this 2 case, then it is the 5C4 times the 3C1 plus the 5C5 times the 3C0. So we have 5C4, 3C1, this is 15. So this is 15. And then 5C5, 3C0 is actually 1. Okay, this is 1. So the answer will be 16. Okay. Okay, next question number 11. A committee of 5 people is to be chosen from 6 women, 7 men. So we have the 6 plus 7, 13. So A here, no restriction. So we have the 13 choose 5. So we have the 13 choose 5. Then it will be 1, 2, 8, 7. Okay. So this is the answer. Not, there are more men than women. So we have the man, woman. So we have 3 men, 2 women. And then 4 men, 1 woman, 5 men, 0 woman. Okay. So 7 choose 3, 6 choose 2. 7 choose 4, 6 choose 1. And then 7 choose 5, 6 choose 0. Okay. So we have the 7C3 times 6C2, then is 525. 7C4, 6C1, then is 210. 7C5, 6C0, then it is 21. So we have the 525 plus 210 plus 21. So we have the 525 plus 210 plus 21. Then it's 756. Okay. Next, a committee of 6 people is to be chosen from 6 men, 7 women. Okay. So find the number of different committee that can be formed. So we have the 6 men, 7 women. So at least 1 man. So we can have one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, we have 6 men. So this will be uh uh very complicated if we do case by case for one, two, three, four, five, six case. So actually we can do it this way. Okay. But we have a easier way that is we have all possible without restriction. So we have the 13 here. So all is so 13 choose 6. So all combination will be the 13 C6. Then is 1716. And then we have no man here. No man here is out of the 7 women. We choose 6 and then the 6 choose 0. So this is 7C6. 7C6 is actually 7. Okay. So the answer will be 1716 minus 7, then 1709. Okay. Uh, if we have the, let's say we have the 6 men, choose 1, and then 7 women, choose uh 5. So this is the first case, 126. And then uh 2 men, 4 women, 525. And then the 3 men and 3 women, 700. And then we have the 4 men, 2 women, and then we have the 5 men, 1 woman, and we have the 6 men and then no woman. So we add up all of this. So we have the 126 plus 525 plus 700 and then 31542, 31542 and 1. So we add up all together, then we have 1702. So this is complicated compared to the first method. A school committee of 5 people is to be selected from a group of 4 teachers and 7 students. No restriction. So A here, no restriction. So we have n is 4 plus 7, then 11. So this is 11 choose 5. So we have the 11 choose 5. Then this will be the 462. Okay, B, at least one teacher, and there must be more student than teacher. So we have at least one teacher, 4 students, 2 teacher, 3 students, and then 3 teacher, uh, 2 students, more student than teacher, more student than teacher, then this one cannot. Okay, so out of 4 teachers, 7 students. So for the first case, it will be the 4 choose 1 multiply with the 7 choose 4. Okay, 7 choose 4, 140. And then we have the 4 choose 2. and then 7 choose 3. Then this will be the 210. Okay, so in total, then this will be the 140 plus 210. Then it will be 350. Okay. A test consists of 10 different questions. 4 of the questions are trigonometry and 6 questions are algebraic. Okay. So students are asked to answer 8 questions. Find the number of ways in which student can select 8 questions. There is no restriction. So A here is very easy. We have out of 10, we choose 8. So 10 choose 8. 10 choose 8. Then if 45. So this is 45. And then B, find the number of this selection which consists at least 4 algebraic. So we have the algebraic and the trigo. So at least 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And trigo, we will have 8 minus 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. But the problem is we have 4 trigonometry question. So this one no problem. And we have only 6 algebraic question. So 6 algebraic questions. So these two cannot. Okay. So we have the algebraic, we have out of 6, and then the trigo out of 4. So we have the 6 choose 4, and then times the 4 choose 4 is the first case, 15. And then we have the 6 choose 5, and then 4 choose 3. This is 24. And we have the 6 choose 6, and 4 choose 2. Then it is 6. So we add up these 3 cases. Then we have the 15 plus 24 plus 6. Then it is 45. Yes, correct. Question number 15. Raphael downloaded 10 movie to his smartphone. 4 comedians, 3 thriller, 3 science fiction. Select 5 of this movie. Okay, no restriction. So A here is 10 choose 5. So we have the 10 C5, then it's 252. B, must contain his favorite thriller movie. So, uh, no thriller. Then we have the 7 choose 5. Then this is the 7 C5 is 21. So this will be 252 minus 21. Then it's 3231. Okay. Uh, 7 choose 7 out of 7 must contain. So we have the 7 choose 5. So we have the 7 choose 5, 21. So we have the 252 minus the answer, that is 231. Um, okay. Uh, so the answer given in the question is 126. Okay. But I use the other method so that we case by case. So we have the 7 3 choose 3, 7 choose 2 plus 3 choose 2, 7 choose 3, and then the 3 C 17C4. Okay, so these three case add up. Then we also have the 231. Okay, so we have the 3 choose 3 times 7 choose 2, 3 choose 2 times 7 choose 3, 3 choose 1, 7 choose 4. So all add up is 231 also. At least 3 comedy movie. So 3 comedy movie. So we can have the out of 4 choose 3, and then the other 6 choose 2. Then out of 4 choose 4, and then the other 6 choose 1. So maximum 4 only. Okay. So this will be the 4C3 times 6C2, then is 60, and then 6C1 is 6, then it is 66. Okay. Yeah. So this one is actually 6, 6, and this is 1. Okay. Correct. Question number 16. In a group of 15 entertainer, 6 singer, 5 guitar, 4 comedian, and show is given by 6 of these entertain. At least 1 guitar, 1 comedian. Okay. More singer can guitarist, and then find the number of way. Uh, 6. So we have the singer, guitar, comedian. So singer we have 6, 5, 4. Okay. At least one. So we must have at least one. Okay. Then singer, more singer than guitar. So 6, then we have 2, 3. And then we have 1, 4. And we have 0, 5. Okay. Uh, More singer than guitarist. Okay, at least 1 guitar and 1 comedian. At least 1 guitar and 1 comedian. So this one cannot. Okay, so we must at least 1 guitar and 1 comedian. Okay, then we can have 2 guitar. Okay, and 1 comedian. Then we have 3 singer here. And then we have the 2 guitar, 2 comedian. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Then this one also cannot. Okay, because the singer must more than guitar. So this one also cannot. Okay, so 3, 1, 2. Okay, and then we have the 4, 1. Then this is 1. Cannot. Okay. So we have the 2, 1, then 3, and then 2, 2, 2 also cannot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 keys. So we have the 6, choose 3, times 5, choose 1, times 4, choose 2. So this is the first case, 600. Then we have the 4, choose 1. Okay. So we have the 6 choose 4, 5 choose 1, and 4 choose 1 also. Then this is 300. And then we have the 6 choose 3, 5 choose 2, and 4 choose 1. Then it is 800. And then we have the 6 choose 2, and then this is 3, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 600. And then we have the 6 choose 3, and then 5 choose 1, and 4 choose 2. Then it is 600. So total, uh, not, wait, make a mistake here. Okay, singer more than guitarist. Okay, and 312, 312 is repeated. Okay, so this one, you know, and then the singer must more than guitarist. So 321 okay, but 231 is not okay. So it should be the 213. Yeah. So we have the 6C2, 5C1, 4C3. Then this is 300. Yes, correct. Okay. So out of these four case, then it will be this one plus this one plus this plus this. Then the total is 2000. Yes, correct. Question number 17. So we have the 45 times n factorial, 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial equal to the n plus 1 multiplied with the n plus 1 factorial. Then this is the 5 factorial, n plus 1 minus 5 factorial. Okay, so we have the 45, 5 factorial, 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial, n plus 1, and then n plus 1 factorial, and n factorial. So we move the 5 factorial here, and n minus 4 factorial there. And then this one we delete, and we move to the other side. Then we have the 45 times 5 times 4 factorial over the 4 factorial equal to the n plus 1 multiply with the n plus 1 n factorial over the n factorial. So 45 times 5, it will be 225, is the n plus 1 square. So n plus 1 will be the plus minus square root 225, but the n plus 1 greater than 0. So n plus 1 will be the square root of 225 is actually 15. So 15 minus 1, 14. Okay, so the answer is 14. Okay, if you want to check the answer, then we have the left hand side is 45 times 14 choose 4, and then uh for 15 times 15 choose 5. Yes, correct. Mm. So this is the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. So they are same. Yeah, that